Hey there, school starts tomorrow. I'm kind of bored and just a little nervous and just really sad that school has to start. But, yeah, I know. I'm just watching some YouTube, so I decided to make a video for YouTube if I can remember my account. Want to see my poster? My Chemical Romance. I have a trailer, so yeah, and got all my stuff, but I don't know what I should wear, so I thought I'll just show you. Tell me what I should wear, okay? I have this top, that top, that top, or this top. And I'm just wearing some jeans and my belts. So just tell me what I should wear and I'll turn up your belts and okay. Okay, bye. Bye.